We are in Nozawa Onsen. Nozawa Onsen is one of Japan's popular ski resorts. We are here, of course, for skiing.
This ski town is not just a usual ski village, it is also an onsen town. It's a very nice town, a blend of both traditional as well as Western. Quite a lot of, I guess, Australians have set up businesses here, but fortunately it still retains quite a lot of its local charm.
In this video, we will share with you our experiences as well as some learnings and tips that we have gathered in this journey.
We have done a few ski videos or ski resort reviews already, one on Shigakogen and one on Madarao. So if you'd like to see any other ski resort videos, please do reach out, put a comment to see which resorts we should visit next.
And let us know what are the content that you would like to see in such videos. We will really appreciate your comments, your inputs on this so that we can create better content for you in future. Let's talk about how to get to Nozawa Onsen. We took a Shinkansen from Tokyo and come to this station called Iyama. The Shinkansen took us less than 2 hours to reach here. It was a very easy ride and very comfortable as well.
When you arrive at the Iyama station, head out the front door and turn to the left. You'll find some bus ticket vending machines. So get your tickets to Nozawa Onsen there, and then head to bay number 4 to wait for the bus.
The bus journey takes about 25 minutes and the cost of the ticket is 600 yen. You can pay by either cash or credit card.
So the bus stop that you should be getting off at is the Central Bus Terminal in Nozawa Onsen. There's a few other stops in Nozawa Onsen village before that, so check with your hotel to make sure you know which bus stop you're getting off at.
The Cho Bus Terminal is actually the last stop, therefore it is difficult to miss this stop because everyone alights here.
Yeah, the Cho Bus Terminal is also called the Central Bus Terminal.
You might wonder where you should stay when you come to Nozawa Onsen.
We will recommend that you stay near the Central Bus Terminal or the Cho Bus Terminal. This terminal is located just a short walk from Oyu Dori or Oyu Street, where a lot of the restaurants and nightlife is. So that's just like a 5-minute walk away. It's also where the bus from Iyama station will drop you, and there's also a shuttle bus, a free shuttle bus that brings you from the terminal all the way to the Nagasaka gondola. So it's convenient not only to get there, but also to get to the gondolas.
Yeah, so that is the most ideal location to position yourself near to. It's snowing very heavily now. We're walking to the main street.
The Oyu Dori, or Oyu Street, where a lot of the restaurants and shops are.
This is one of the convenience stores. It opens until 9 p.m. The selection here is pretty good. It is like the Lawson type of convenience store. It's probably the one that we would recommend you coming. This is a free onsen in Nozawa. You will be able to find more than 10 of these onsen in the town, and it's divided into men and women. When you go in, there could be a donation box there. You can pay for a small fee for donation, or some of them I think is free entry. Most of them close at about late at night, 10 to 11 p.m. And what you need to do is to observe the usual onsen etiquette, which is to bring your own shower item, towel, and rinse yourself properly with soap and everything else inside before you get into the onsen. Even though the onsen water comes from the same source, right? I read that it has various type of quality of water in different onsen. So some could be milky, some could be green. It will be quite interesting to try them out to see what are the different options that you have around this town. This is another convenience store. I think in this town there are two main ones. This is more local. It is closed earlier. Therefore, if you are in this main street, this would be the one to go to. But we recommend the other one, the Yamasaki, is it?
Yeah.
Is it? Yamasaki, which has a better selection in our opinion, or at least it's easier to see compared to this one.
This is the beginning of Oyu Street, and it's also where you can actually walk up to the Hikage gondola here. There is I guess a people mover that helps you to climb up the mountain. Alternatively, there's a road that goes up to the Nagasaka gondola. This one you can't walk, it's quite far. So if you get transport, this is the road that they take to get you to the Nagasaka gondola.
I think you can walk. It's about 10 minutes walk. It's just that it's an upward climb.
I think it's quite far. I don't recommend that you walk. If you want to go up by foot, the Nagasaka, the Hikage gondola up this slope is the one you should try for.
But there are a couple of stairs, so a lot of steps. So therefore, if you are holding skis and walking on ski boots, it will be a challenge.
So we're walking along Oyu Street. It's actually the morning, so there's not a lot of people here. Not all the restaurants are open at this point of time. You can see the provision stores and the souvenir shops already open.
There are many local shops here selling souvenirs, some selling groceries and food items, as well as eateries. For eateries, you get a lot of choices in this place. In Nozawa Onsen, you have actually more than 70 dining options, from cafes, restaurants, to bars and pubs.
You have a good blend of mix of traditional Japanese food as well as Western.
Yeah, so from like sushi, ramen, soba, we had a pretty good soba here. There are a couple of soba choices you can go to, and we also get like Western options such as burgers, which we had a burger somewhere here. You see, along the main street, if you go to the adjacent lanes, you will also be able to find a couple of dining choices. We had a yakiniku at one of the streets down there. It was pretty good, and I think that it is the choices here for food are so much that it could be one of the biggest selection of food choices in a ski resort that we have been in Japan.
We do recommend that you make reservations if you can. Not all restaurants accept reservations, so if they don't, then you just have to queue up.
Here are our tips and recommendations that we gather from the stay that we have here at Nozawa Onsen. First of all, when you want to book a trip to Nozawa Onsen, please do that in advance. What we do is we book right when the accommodation is made available. Most of the accommodation are available right after the season ends, the previous season ends, and you will be able to get to book the accommodation on the website. However, some of them which are offered through third-party agents, mostly Australian-owned companies, would offer you even an advanced booking option. You might be able to be placed on a wait list, or you might be able to book even in advance before the season ends. You might wonder how many nights to book in this town. I think it is a question that you have to ask. I think you have to ask yourself whether you are here for skiing or here for onsen. If you are here just for skiing, you can look at the ski map and realize that the ski field, the options is not extremely huge. It's not like a very huge ski field like Shiga Kogen. It is manageable within about 3 days.
Yeah, I think there's quite a lot of options both for beginner as well as intermediate. I think for expert, not as much, but I think that we do see quite a few people going off-piste. There are a few access points as well where you can go at your own risk. They do charge a fee if you were to need rescue. So please note that if you do want to take the risk, you might need to pay if you need help.
Yeah, but do you agree that it's probably about 3 days?
I think it depends on you. If you don't like skiing on the same slope multiple times, it might get boring after 3 days. You can pretty easily, if you're a confident skier, you can pretty easily ski most of the mountain or all of the mountain in 3 days. So yeah, take a look at the trail map and then decide for yourself.
The maximum multiple day ski lift pass that they offer is 3. Therefore, I would think that most of the time people are opting for 3 or less ski days.
There are 21 lifts and 36 runs, covering over 50 kilometers of piste. The slopes are 40% beginner, 30% intermediate, and 30% advanced. They also have a terrain park with jumps, rails, boxes, and an 80-meter pipe. They have the usual on-mountain dining options, so you will not go hungry on the mountain.
You can get the ski tickets directly from the counters at the ski field. However, I suggest that you ask your hotel for them, because most hotels would give some kind of discount, or they would have some kind of discount scheme, and you'll be able to purchase it at a lower cost. When you're at Iyama station, before you board the bus to Nozawa, if you have some time, I would highly recommend making a stop at the supermarket that is next to the station. It is a very, very huge supermarket with a lot of choices. You will be able to stock up on all the things that you want for your stay in Nozawa Onsen, and that is, to me, a much better choice.
When you're in Nozawa Onsen, all the things will cost a bit more because it's a bit touristy. So we recommend that you do make a grocery pit stop before you're heading down to Nozawa Onsen.
Thank you for watching this video.
If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Ring the notification bell below so that you will be notified of our new videos, and watch our other videos here.
See you in the next video.